So today we have with us.
Yeah, my name is Aveen Padmaprabha. I head the Industrial Quality Solutions division of Ziess in India.
Could you let me know about the theme of IMTEX 2025 and how do you resonate with this theme? Can you talk?
Yeah, the theme for IMTEX 2025 for us is the future of metrology. What do we mean by saying that we have the future of metrology? Today, the request from the industry is that they would want to have all metrology solutions under one roof. And we are the only company in India who can provide all these solutions under one roof. And that's why we call this as we have brought the future of metrology to IMTEX. And when we look into the industries today, we have been predominantly present in the automotive sector. But when we look at the developments in the market today, we have this technology slowly moving towards the new energy vehicles. It is moving towards hybrid. It is moving towards hydrogen. So when these companies are looking at a solution, a total package where they could get it, and that comes from Zeiss, and that's where the future of the metrology is going to be. And again, it's not only the automotive sector, it's the electronic sector, or the medical implants or manufacturing sector, or the aerospace sector. So all these sectors are looking at, what could be the solutions, that could come in the future when it comes to the metrology space, and that's where we are, and that's what we want to demonstrate in the IMTEX this year.
What are the key innovations and solutions you have displayed at this year's IMTEX? Could you elaborate on that?
Yeah, this year, the key theme, along with the future of metrology, one of the theme what we are also propagating heavily through this IMTEX is Make in India. Today we have, I would say, 90% of the machines which are put in the stall are actually made in India. Only a few of them we import and sell. So we have a very big facility in Bangalore, and we'll also be coming up with an even bigger facility in a couple of months, where we look at manufacturing all these solutions in our facility. When we are talking about innovations, we are talking about the optical side, wherein we have brought technologies called as Scanbox, which is the first of its kind to the Indian market. And when we are talking of the coordinate measuring machines, we have brought in a lot of features in the new machine what we have launched. And this is the machine what we have made in India. This is the machine which is not made only for India. This is a machine which is made in India for the globe, which goes out of India.
So what are the key innovations or key advancements you're witnessing in the automation sector, and how are you aligning your products in sync with these trends?
See, automation is the in thing in the industry now, where people are looking at automating a lot of things, where they look at productivity, where they look at efficiency. This is where from the metrology side we could also contribute. So we have solutions which are now linked with robotics, where we look at faster measuring time, increasing the speed, increasing the efficiency, and we're also looking at bringing automation into the metrology lab, into the quality lab. We have good bunch of solution around it, and you will see this coming in the future.
So what are the key target markets you would be looking at, and also specific sectors that you would be focusing on?
Yeah, as I said earlier, the key market for us is automotive. This is a market which will stay in India, which will grow in India, which will be present in India. So along in the automotive domain itself, we see the market slowly shifting towards new energy vehicles. We call it batteries. It could be hybrid technology. It could be hydrogen technology. So these are the markets of our focus. Electronics, again, is a very big segment. That is going to be a focus for us as well. And when I say electronics, it is consumer electronics, it is automotive electronics. We are talking of telecom products, which India will become a big hub for manufacturing. So this is the space we are looking at. We are looking at medical technology. We are looking at, when we say medical, we say implant manufacturing. We look at medical devices manufacturing in India. And then we are also looking at aerospace. Aerospace is a very big market. India is going to be a big hub for manufacturing of aerospace components. So these are some of the key sectors of our focus, and this is where we are putting our solutions and also our knowledge in terms of our people to be developed with.
Could you quickly let us know on your future plans?
Yeah, we are looking India, I mean, if I look at the global Zeiss, India is looked as a key market for us, and we are here to grow the business, and we are investing heavily as well. We are investing in a new plant here in Bangalore, which would be operational towards the end of the year. This plant would have capacities much more than what we have today, where we are looking at bringing solutions from the global markets to India, which will be made in India, not only for the Indian market, for also for the global markets. It will be exported from here. So we have very big plans for India, both in terms of setting up the sales organization, service organization, and as well as manufacturing.